Hey guys, Dan here with VidderTech, back with another video for you today. Apple just announced a bunch of new tech at their iPhone 12 event, one of which was a brand new HomePod, and it's actually more exciting than I originally thought. Let's get into it. So HomePod. Since it was announced in 2017, it's become a leader in the smart speaker category. It's confidently one of the best smart speakers, at least within that form factor, empowered by Siri and some crazy tech for spatial awareness so that it can determine how to best direct all of the sound. The point is, it's really good. Now, the problem with HomePod and why maybe it's not as big of a success as it could have been really relates to that price. Now we've got a new player in the game, and that's HomePod Mini. Coming in a smaller, more spherical design, we're getting an entry-level HomePod with new features and a better price. So listing off a couple of new features that it'll offer a 360-degree sound experience all the way around the device, an S5 chip to give you something they're calling computational audio. It's also going to have a bunch of Siri improvements, so you'll be able to ask for a personal update, and that'll give you all of your upcoming calendar events, your reminders, along with the weather and news for you. And with that, it'll have voice recognition, so it'll be able to tell who in your home is speaking. Presumably, it'll only be people who are connected to your home through HomeKit, but they didn't elaborate on that. And much like on regular HomePods, you can pair them together, and as long as they're positioned in the same room, they'll become one stereo unit. Now, it's going to go even further and take advantage of the ultra-wideband unit that's coming in all of Apple's latest devices to understand when devices are close by. It's going to enable you to do things like bring your iPhone close to the HomePod, and it'll automatically start playing audio through the HomePod because it knows that you're walking up to it. They say this handoff feature is going to feel as if it's all an extension of one device. Something new that Apple mentioned is called Intercom. And it's not just a feature for HomePods, but really all Apple devices or all devices in the Apple ecosystem. It's going to work together with ultra-wideband units and voice detection, so you'll be able to tell it to send a message to everyone in your home or just a specific person. It'll determine where that person is in the home, and it'll only display the alert on that device. And that's going to work on HomePods, iPhones, Apple Watches. We also even saw it going to CarPlay. So there's a lot of potential here for the Intercom. I'm interested to see how that plays out. So this budget model of HomePod or HomePod Mini starts at $99 US. Pre-orders are starting November 6th and shipping begins November 16th. Let me know what you guys think down below about this budget model of HomePod. Is $99 enough to make you buy multiple units and spread them throughout your home? As always, remember to hit that subscribe button to see more from me. Hit that like button because it tells YouTube that this video doesn't suck. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.